How to turn on or turn off customize Samsung Wallet on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, and then in here, tap on advanced features. After that, tap on Bixby. Then scroll down and tap on customization service. Now scroll down. Then in here, tap on Samsung Wallet. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off. Then tap on stop. Otherwise, we can tap on it to turn it back on, and then tap on customize. And that's it. That is how you can turn on or turn off customize Samsung Wallet on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.